Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we are in the exam information section and we're continuing on to do exam tips. So you need to read the question carefully. So just take it like it's an English exam at school, so make sure you read it very carefully each question. Don't spend too long on one question. That's the main reason students fail the exam. They spend too long on a question, or maybe perhaps a project or a formula question. Again, it's 7 minutes by 7 projects, so it's 7 minutes per project by 7, which will give you 49 minutes. Ensure you're in the correct worksheet. Watch the wording of the questions. It could say use the formula in column A, but it could mean refer to cell range A2 to A9. It might ask you to switch the axis data. In that case, it wants you to click on switch row column data button. It might ask you to ensure the last column stands out. In that case, it will ask you to go to banded columns and tick that. The geometrics will give you help with the wording, okay? Try and relax on the day of the exam as well. Don't stress out. Try and be calm. Also, if you're stuck on a question, skip it and come back to it later on. Don't spend more than a couple of minutes on a question, because you'll end up rushing the rest of the exam. And that's basically it. That's the tips for today. So that's fantastic stuff. Thanks a million for watching and take care.